Hello everybody, it's John Wright, property owner in the Hammocks Community Association in the Oak Lake subdivision for the past 7 years. I just want to give you an update on things that have been going on with the Group of Five and the Hammocks neighbors. If you have not heard, on March the 3rd, the election dispute arbitration was accepted by DBPR. An arbitrator has been assigned. A letter has gone out to the Hammocks Association requesting that they respond within 20 calendar days. If they don't respond within that time, they run the risk of a default judgment being entered into by court, and that will be a binding arbitration. But obviously we expect for them to contest the election dispute, and we will give you updates as we hear more. Also, an injunction has been filed with the state this week to stop the increase in the dues. Now, you still need to pay the March dues. Whatever your March dues are, the new amount, you must pay them so that you don't run the risk of late fees and liens and violations. So whatever it may be for your sub-association, for your address, pay the amount that the Hammocks is requesting for the month of March. And hopefully we'll have some good news from the Group of Five and the Morgan Law Group sometime here later this month or at the beginning of April. Now, the next thing that is happening and needs to happen with all of our support is the election recall ballot. Now, the Group of Five has formed a website. It's called justiceforhammocks.com. In Spanish, it's justiciaporhammocks.com. And in that, we have the homepage. You have news and updates, and you have documents. So what I talked about, the DBPR election challenge, there's information on that. The lawsuit seeking an injunction of suspension that has been filed this week in the state, and the recall of the current Hammocks Board of Directors. We need you as the homeowners to do this as quickly as possible, and I'm going to teach you how to do this. You go to, once I said, again, justiceforhammocks.com. Go to Documents. Click here, the Recall Ballot, Bios, and Voter Form. You will have 6 pages that are going to pull up. And in those 6 pages is the written recall agreement instructions. You will need pages 1, 2, and 6 to submit. Pages 4, 5, and 6 are the candidates. We are looking to replace completely, we're looking to recall Monica Gilardi, Ligia Sepelio, Marlene Kopek, Luz Ordonez, Miriam Rogers, and Madeline Maceda. We are looking to recall all 6. We are looking to replace these with Donald Kearns, Edelman Artisan, also known as Chique, Henry Pedroso, Catherine Johnson, Peter Cabrera, and Mabel Jaramillo. Who are these people? Don Kearns is a 28-year Hammocks resident. He's current president of the Villas of the Hammocks. He's a former Miami-Dade Community Council 11 councilman. He was past president of the Hammocks when things were good here in 2013 and 2014. And he's been past chair and current member of the Miami-Dade Schools Attendance Boundary Committee. Henry Pedroso was born in New Jersey, son of Cuban exiles, and has been a realtor in South Florida with Berkshire Hathaway since 2006. For 20 years previous, he ascended multinational Fortune 500 corporate ladders in upper and executive management. Peter Cabrera has been living in the Hammocks since 2017, and he is currently the president of the Atrium Homes at the Hammocks Association and is an administrator with Miami-Dade County Public Schools for over the past 25 years, working in K-12 and adult education. Catherine Johnson has been living in the Hammocks in Vizcaya since 1993. She's current treasurer of a board of directors at a condo homeowners association property that she owns in Gainesville. And in that, her duties are responsible for overseeing, approving, and sharing information with the board of directors on all financial decisions. Her professional experience is as a former IRS Internal Revenue agent conducting field examinations. Those of you wanting a forensic accounting, I don't think how you can get anybody more qualified with that in regards to fraud investigations. Edelman Artisan is Chique. She's been a 27-year resident of the Hammocks, and she was the one responsible for getting this paperwork put together and filed correctly so that the DBPR accepted the election dispute arbitration. So you can thank Chique. She's extremely well qualified and extremely thorough. And Mabel Jaramillo, resident for 27 years and has been working in the insurance industry for 35 years, investigating insurance claims, litigation, and assessing exposures and negotiating claims. So these 6 candidates are all extremely well qualified, have a variety of experience, and not one of them are related to one another. So when you fill out the form, page 1, print your neighborhood's name here. Check recall for all of the current board members. And please check in favor of the 6 recommended board members by the Group of 5 and Hammocks neighbors. Now, only one person that's the homeowner needs to fill this out. Only one. So pick the person that it's going to be and double check this with the property records of Miami-Dade County. Go to Miami-Dade, property search, look up your home address, and verify that your name is spelled correctly. This will need to match how the county has it. So print your name, the parcel address, not the parcel number, but your actual parcel address. So if your address is 8933 151st Court, you need to fill that out exactly as it is. Sign it and date it. You need to mail this in. I personally am going to FedEx it so I have confirmation it arrived. To this address right here. You're going to Edelman Artisan, care of Jesmani Jomarhan. That's the attorney of the Morgan Law Group. This is the address, 55 Merrick Way, number 404, Coral Gables, Florida, 33134. Please get on that this weekend. Actually, today would be a great day to get that completed. When you do it, sign it and fill out the information in blue ink, not black, so that they won't think it was a photocopy. Do it in blue ink and mail it to the address in section C. Once again, the homeowner's representative is Edelman Artisan, care of Jesmani Jomarhan, the Morgan Law Group, 55 Merrick Way, number 404, Coral Gables, Florida, 33134. This is John Wright, homeowner in the Hammocks, just like you. I'm excited about the action that's been taking place by the Group of 5 and Hammocks neighbors, the honesty, and the willingness to get things done and not just beat around the bush. So look forward to another update, hopefully someday very shortly soon, of more good and exciting news. Until then, God bless, take care, and we'll speak soon.